as Rajan said, the House Committee is a new word. I think the opposition has learned this time, because for every other thing they demand House Committee. For anything, I think
yesterday also there was a House Committee.
I mean, everything they demand House Committee. So the sanctity of demanding a House Committee for serious issues is lost. So I think the opposition this time has come out with a homework House Committee, H for House, C for Committee. Maybe they have learned that. It looks like that, because every other sentence they ask for a House Committee. Somebody or the other stands and asks for a House Committee. So I think opposition, it is also responsible to keep the sanctity of the House, and I think there is a lot of good things that are going to come out of this session.
Yeah, thanks, Siddharth. Now, Mohan, we are talking about House Committee and all. One thing I would like to say, though, of the Congress, I think everybody will agree that the leader of opposition is slowly, maturing, so as to say. Right? But I don't know about the other MLAs, but at least the leader of opposition.
Leader of opposition, Yuri Alamai, very intelligent, very high quality of communication, also good English, and perhaps
level-headed, cool.
Background of the political background, family, uncle, father, they were also ministers, MLA, MP. So this background is there. Plus, again, I will again stress upon that he grown up along with Vijay also. And when his father was minister, Vijay was helping him, assisting him as PA or PS or something like that. That is the time Vijay must have seen him very young.
Yuri.
So again, so that's some kind of training, some kind of
Was he in
guidance.
Youth Congress?
No, he was never in Youth Congress. He was always a studious boy.
Really?
He was not. He was
For
not.
the-
He was the youth NCP leader.
NCP?
President, yes.
And at the same time, at Sange, he pulled so much of vote, but he missed. He would have been
Almost
MLA in the last term.
4,500 he must have been.
Yeah, he would have been.
Not last term, it was
He lost by
2012.
He lost by 400 votes.
Yeah.
300-400 votes.
No.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, 400 within the house. Yes, yes.
So close. 2012.
Huh?
त्यांना ट्रोजन बाब एनसीपी नसलो.
No, I'm telling you, he lost very, very narrowly.
No, he was well organized, because I was there.
He
at
lost
that time.
because there was a third independent.
fourth
Yeah.
The fellow who became the MLA in the next, Prasad
Prasad
Gautam,
was
there. And there was another guy.
he
also.
pulled 5,000 votes. Yeah.
With regards to assembly, चलना बरे पण जितले बरे चलपाक जाय ट्रोजन सायडीड अर्लियर टायम्स ऑल्सो की एक पळोवन मजा येताली. आज असेंब्लीच्या जाग्यार जर कोणाकय पिक्चराक वचपाक जाय पिक्चराक वचूं नाका म्हणटले, असेंब्लीक वचून बस, एंटरटेनमेंट तुका जातली म्हणून सांगता. असेंब्ली इज अ प्लेस की सत्ताधारी पक्षान कितें तरी प्रोपोज करप, तातूंतले त्रुटी कमीपण हे ऑपोजिशनान